Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use a multimeter to check what is draining your car battery while the vehicle is at rest. First, we disconnect the negative terminal from the battery. Then remove the key from the ignition. After that, we simulate that all the doors and the hood of the car are closed so the car can go into sleep mode. After that, connect the multimeter leads to the negative battery terminal and the negative cable connected to the car, just like shown in the video. Once everything is connected as shown in the video, turn on the multimeter to check the result. As we can see, the car is drawing 0.390 milliamperes of current while at rest, which is too much. We will start removing fuses so the value drops, and in that way we can find the fault. After checking the fuses in the engine bay, we'll move on to the fuses and relays inside the cabin. In my case, once I disconnected the alternator cable, the multimeter reading went back to normal, meaning the alternator was draining the battery really fast while the car was off. This is a really common issue in Volkswagen Group cars, particularly with the 2.0 TDI engines. After replacing the alternator, we tested the system again, and the multimeter showed 0.022 milliamperes, which is a normal value. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.